Hi, welcome to excellab.org. We'll see text function of Excel. So this is part 2. In part 1 we have seen few text function where we separated first name and the last name. So here in C3 and C4 I've written few words. So what I want, the objective, the first objective, that first I should combine in single cell, and second this E, okay, now this E should be in the uppercase and rest everything should be in the lowercase. Second objective, again I will combine, but E should be in small, that is lowercase, and rest every character should be in the uppercase. So what we have seen in part 1, we have seen, like, function left, right, find, length. Okay, now here we will see couple of more functions, inbuilt function like ampersand and upper. So upper will convert text into uppercase, and ampersand, it will concatenate or combine the two cells, the data in two cells, into a single cell. Okay, so in C7, the first objective in C7, I will start with left. Okay, I will give, and if I write 1, it will extract E from the following sentence. Let us check. Now we want this E to be in uppercase, so what I will do, I will use one more function, upper. So this is the syntax of upper, give the reference, and I want 1. Okay, now it comes to left, so I want one character from left. Okay, so it extracted E, got it. I want the rest of the sentence, so I will use ampersand right. Okay, so starting, okay, right will start with L and I want till X. Okay, so right, so in text I'll give this reference, so starting with L, and in number of characters put comma number of characters. So again same fundamental which I shown in the part 1 of the previous video. So length of this text -1, so length of this text -1, that is E. Okay, put the parenthesis and let us check. So we got it. Okay, now I want the data in C4 to be with this. Okay, so again I will put ampersand and simply give the reference. Okay, so we got it. Okay, now one thing here I want, that I should, there should be space here between 2 and 4, there should be space. So here I will give the space character like this, and again I will combine the C4. Okay, so we got it. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, next, second objective in C8. Okay, E to be in lowercase, rest everything should be in the uppercase. So left and 1. Okay, so we got it. E is small, lowercase only, and then ampersand okay, right, and I want the upper one. Okay, I want upper, and number of characters, length of text -1, put the parenthesis. Okay, so E is small and just everything is in uppercase. Okay, so let us combine the C4 thing also. So put ampersand, space, and again use upper and give the text and enter. So we got it, right? So this is how it works.